Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will talk about this A9 Super Mini Battery IP spy camera, which all of the tag marks it has what it should have. I have, as you might see, I have ordered this from AliExpress and I haven't really used that since then. So it comes with a support which they told me it is magnetic, but it has a double side tape. So yeah, and this is the camera itself. It is really lightweight compared to a phone. Like this should be around 200-250 grams. This is maximum 50 gram, but maybe less, maybe even less. And if you check the build quality itself is not the finest first class quality. So this is the camera, this is the box, this is the support. So we have everything what is needed, except we should have some cable, and that's all. So nothing else. We have an instruction which has the Chinese version, and if you flip it you have the English version, so we might be able to configure it. And yeah, the most important part is the charging cable itself, because otherwise you won't be able to use this camera. Theoretically this camera has a battery inside, so we might can check that later. Let me bring an external battery in order to be able to test it. So as of now I have bring an external battery, which is a 5000 milliamp battery, a 5 volt, 1 amp. This should be sufficient. It still seems to be really cheap quality. So we have two buttons, the on and off, and there is the mode or mo, probably this should be mode button. And if you turn on, it doesn't really does too much. Okay, so this is not doing anything. And it seems like this is a short circuited, so this doesn't do anything. Let me bring the charger. So I am in the lucky situation that next to where I'm recording there is a plug, and I can use the same cable just to see if it's not a cable problem right away, to check if the charger works. If I connect this to my external battery, this is charging, so probably the charger and the battery is good. And then let's check this one. Okay, it was some weird scenario with the battery. For some reason it wasn't working, but now we see two LEDs are blinking. Let's read the instruction manual. So there are two connection methods: when there is no network connection and when there is internet connection. I might will go with the internet connection, but first let's download the application. And the application is Epsilon S6 Lite. So let's try to find that and get that thing installed. So the application itself, it is bringing me to a very safe Chinese web page, and let's click on download. And I will download the application. Lot of questions and hit install. And this is the very safe application. If you have concerns, you might do not order this camera, because it is not using a proper Play Store. It's so, oh, that's great. at least we have some official possible way to install that application, and this might take some time. Meanwhile, let's continue the reading of the user manual. So it says, the user manual says that this will create on his own hotspot. Theoretically, we should have a small hotspot available. Meanwhile, we are waiting. Let's check the available. Yes, and there it is, the hotspot. And I can connect to it. Once the application is downloaded, it is asking for a location. I will allow only this time, and we are starting with an ad. So yeah, let's try to allow everything, and we will add a new camera. The new camera is accessible directly with Wi-Fi, and there is nothing. Check, and connected to this one. Let me stop the mobile network, it might help. Wi-Fi opening detected, and this is without internet. Okay, you see there it has appeared the device name, access to this device. And it's almost surrealistic that I can access it. Okay. It's a very weird response. But you know what? This is working. And let me try to do a recording or something. Let me put this somewhere in the background in order that you would be able to see. This is me ups and downs, and this should be so. Hi everyone, that's me on this beautiful VGA camera. The sound it's from my original recording, so don't consider it that it is coming from this microphone. And if we have a look, maybe here is a toolbox. It seems to be really zoomed in, and the distance, it's not really quite wide, but you know what, this is working, and this is giving back some response, and it's quite responsive. And let's see, take a photo. This is taking a photo successfully. Okay, it is making a recording, and in the end you can see the quality of the recording. I will cut that in. So in order that you will get some idea what this camera actually does. Full for you. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, and thank you very much for your attention. And if you consider to buy this camera, then I will leave a link below in the description, and you can use that link to order from AliExpress. Thank you very much. I wish you a great day.